Hello and welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about to make sure we save as much as money we can, and I do minimum of 5 to 20 videos each bike. This is Honda CB125R. You see my previous videos, I got so many videos about this bike, and of course they're all gonna end up with a review about not just how the bike is running and how it looks, but also about the replacing parts and things like this, and the quality basically of the motor. So yeah, this video going to be how to replace this indicator, how to remove indicator, and basically replace it, and yeah, see from there. First steps, what I did already is I removed this boy in here, just this boy in here. It goes on a headlight just like that, slides in. But because I removed already, I ain't gonna put it back on and then remove it and show you in a video. But what you do, you release just two boys in here, also 1, 2 and 2 boys on this side as well. And then what you just got left, you got this little boy in here. As soon as you're gonna remove this one, you're gonna be able actually to move this all plastic indicator. It comes all complete. So yeah, let's remove this boy in here. Remove that one. As we see, now we are able to actually move this boy in here. Need to release this 8mm bolt up there, if you see it, and this indicator should come out. And the wiring is somewhere in here, and there is connections in here. If you see, it's probably easier if we remove this cover in here from the speedo. So let's do it, because we got connection just inside in here. I don't want to break no wirings, so let's remove this cover, speedo cover. Come out just like this. See, this one is off. So now at least we got access to this boy in here, and yeah, we need a little screwdriver. There we go. Right, the connection is out. Now we need going to show a bracket like this inside. So now we're going to be able, just like this, indicator rolls off. The bracket, this bracket in here, not bracket or something, it was just inside up there, if you hopefully see it, and it makes hole bigger, and now you can remove your indicator. This job pretty easy though, it's nothing complicated, but this have to be replaced, which I'm going to do. And yeah, if you like the video, subscribe. Also, you're gonna see end of the video how to put the new one back on. So subscribe and smash that like button if you find it helpful. Of course, applies for this side and also from the back as well. They're all pretty same, so I don't think it's gonna be much difference up there.